Hello, my name is Dr. Mansi Jain and I'm a child psychiatrist at Children's Hospital, Malad. A very common question that we encounter is what are the common mental health problems in adolescents or teenagers? Now, teenage or adolescence is a time period where there are multiple physical, emotional and hormonal changes happening in a teenager's body. Because of this, they experience a variety of mental health problems. The most common mental health issue that we see in adolescents and teenagers is anxiety. In anxiety, teenagers usually worry about what is going to happen in the future and how they are going to handle the future. Anxiety can be related to anything like academics, family problems, friendships or romantic relationships. The second common problems that we see in adolescence is depression. Now, depression in adolescents is different from depression in adults because they don't complain that I'm feeling sad. They usually present with anger issues and irritability. Many times family members notice that teenagers have become extremely moody, which is beyond the normal mood swings of teenage. They may also stop eating and sleeping or may sleep and eat excessively. They may also start talking about suicide and death a lot. The third common mental health problem that we see in teenagers and adolescents is eating disorders. Teenagers are very conscious about the way they look and they don't like it if somebody points out something about their appearances. Because of this, many teenagers suddenly stop eating food or resort to extreme mechanisms like exercising or taking laxatives to lose weight. This is another common mental health problem that we see in teenagers. And lastly, teenage is also the time period where most other mental health problems or serious psychiatric illnesses like OCD, bipolar mood disorder, and schizophrenia start showing their beginning symptoms. Because of all the emotional changes that are happening in a teenager, many times they may also resort to taking substances or drugs to cope with their mental health. And this is another problem like addiction that we commonly see in teenagers.